Welcome to today's session. So today we continue looking at complex numbers with a special focus on division. So our question of interest, which is case number 3, reads, evaluate the following: 2 minus j5 divided by j3. So again, what is important here is understanding the concept of conjugation. So what we notice here is the denominator has two parts: the real part, which is basically 0 in this context, in this case, then the real part, which is j positive j3. So the conjugate of j3 is negative j3, and that helps us to form a special one, which is negative j3 divided by negative j3, which is basically a 1. Then once we form that, it's a matter of just multiplying. We multiply the numerator with the numerator, then the denominator with the denominator. So what you notice here, what we'll get is basically 2 times negative j3, then negative j5 times negative j3. This is this one. Then we multiply this one and this one, it will just be j square, because j times j is j square, then 3 times negative 3 is this one. So at the end of the day, the denominator becomes negative j square 9, because 3 times negative 3 is negative 9, then times j square, which becomes a negative. Then 2 times negative 3 is basically negative 6 times j is negative 6, negative j6. Then this one is nothing but j square 15, because negative times negative is a positive. Then from here it's a matter of simplification. So what we notice here is basically, because j is a negative, j6 negative, it comes this side. Then the real part, this one, because this is j square, is a negative 1 times 15, is basically giving us negative 15. So j square is a negative 1, because the j itself is a square root of negative 1. Then from this point, it's a matter of simplifying. So you notice that 3 can go into 15, 3 can go into 6, and 3 can go into 9. So 3 into 15 is negative 5, then 3 into 6 is negative 2, so that becomes negative j2. Then 3 into 9 is a 9. So at this point, we found the simplest form of this complex algebraic form, or the algebraic form of this complex number. So basically, this is how you deal with this case of a question. So for more interesting questions, please subscribe to our channel.